A couple months ago, some fourth graders were playing pickleball for recess. And Jacob was there, and he got in their way, interrupted the game, and upset his classmates. And I wasn't there, so those students came to me, in tears. They're very upset. And so I asked all of them, okay, tell me what happened. And they talked, and then Jacob, he just flat out said, I'm the problem. I made a mistake. I shouldn't have done that. And then he apologized to them. And I was, as the teacher, I was like, what? This kid, he just admitted that he made a bad choice. He admitted it in front of me. In other words, he was willing to accept whatever consequences there were. And I was so blown away. I emailed his parents and Miss Cat that day because I was so impressed that this young man chose to tell the truth and accept responsibility. And so, Jacob, I want to show you and the rest of the kids here how much we value being honest and taking responsibility by giving you a $100 bill. Which really when you make a mistake, us teachers, parents, we understand. Why? Because we've also done that. We have lied. We have made bad choices. But it's our job to say, my bad, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Are you guys going to try to do that?
Yeah.
And this school is going to be a lot better if each one of us commits to that, to tell the truth, to be honest, to accept responsibility. And when we make a mistake, own it. I will be honest. And tell the truth, no matter what the consequences are.